Hi guys, Benita here. So today I'm going to be applying my clear base coat and surface prep, the Art and Magic of Waterborne Paints. The directions say to give it a good shake. And I'm going to add a little bit here to my palette. Like so. Don't want to add too much because I'm not really sure how this is going to work out. Add a couple drops of water here. This is distilled water. Directions also say that you should do that. And then I'm going to stir with this brush here. And it kind of looks like, actually it looks a lot like Mod Podge or something like that. It's a little thick. Not really sure how thick it's supposed to be, but it's not that thick. It's still, as you can see, if you guys can see here, it's kind of runs down the side a little bit, so I guess that's good enough. We'll start with this, and if I need to thin some more, I'll do that. And it says to apply it with a smooth sponge. So this is just a cosmetic sponge that I'm using here. It's not been pricked with tweezers or anything of that nature. And the directions also say not to pounce. So we're just gonna take some of this and apply it to the sponge a little bit, I guess, and see what that does for it. I'll set this to the side here. I like to start with the legs because I always see everybody starting with the legs. So I'm gonna see if I can't keep it low so you guys can see. And as I put it on, I noticed that it does come on clear. And it has a little bit of a shine there, as you can see. So we definitely know that it's getting on there. And actually, I probably should have done those creases first. In fact, I think I will just go ahead and get these creases first. That way I can use the paint or the surface prep that's left behind. I'm gonna get in these creases. Make sure we get it all the way around like that. And get these creases here on this little foot and see how that works out. Alright, that should be good. Then I'm just going to put a little bit on there. Alright, now we can start spreading. I'm going to try to get the whole thing, so I like to try to start on one side and work my way around. Definitely gives it a nice little sheen there, and I like the way that it's going on. It's smooth, and I'm just going to do nice strokes to evenly place it there. And it's looking good to me so far. I'm running out. Add a little bit more here. We're going down the back of this leg. And let's get this little foot here. That's looking nice. It does give it a nice little sheen. Make sure I get these little toes. Okay, so I'm just going to keep doing that. That was my first step on this leg, and I'm going to let it dry and work on the other pieces.